Let's learn how to determine the equation of a plane when we know the coordinates of three non-collinear points. So let's consider 3 points P1, P2, and P3, and the coordinates we know, and another point P and the coordinates of point P we don't know. So we may determine some vectors. The first vector is P1, P2. Because we know the coordinates of P1 and P2, we may determine vector P1, P2. Vector P1, P3, it is a non-vector because we know the coordinates of points P1 and P3. And another vector we don't know because we don't know the coordinates of point P, so it's only represented. We know that the cross product between vectors P1, P2 and P1, P3 is equal to vector n. So we know that vector n is the cross product between these two vectors. So it's easy to determine vector n. And once we know the coordinates of vector n, we know that it's orthogonal to the plane, and consequently it's orthogonal to vector P1P. So we know that the dot product between vector n and vector P1P is equal to 0 because both vectors are orthogonal. So once we perform this dot product, we are going to find the equation of the plane, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, and a, b, and c are the coordinates of vector n.